The man spoke in a solid voice. Okay, Sera! He said, and a sonic wave struck from the blade. Unknown swerves his sword and tries to deflect the sonic wave. But he was tackled by Silver. Silver! No, what are you doing? Unknown yelled in a drastic voice. The sonic wave passes Unknown and Silver. It hits the house and it blows up. Unknown's eyes widened. He grunts and gets up and sprints at the man. You bastard! Unknown furious as he uses fast teleport and punches the man with a fire fist. The man was able to keep up with Unknown's speed and caught Unknown's fist and grabbed his wrist and pushed it against his chest and threw Unknown on the ground. As Silver ran to Unknown, "That's it! I'm tired of being the blame for all of this," Silver said, angry as she walks toward the man. "Silver, don't do it!" Unknown tries to get up. "The man tries to use thermovirus and," Zero said, trying to be spooky. "Okay, we're done here. Where does Neely, Roxy, and Netro?" "Wait, don't forget about Static," Roxy said. "Oh, and Static come into play," Natural said as they all chat in the living room. "I don't know. They all died." Zero smiles as Natural and Roxy a little annoyed. "And wait, since when was I the boss of Natural?" Unknown scratches his head. "And Zero, why are you telling the story?" Neely said, with his hand raised. "I thought you guys loved my stories." Zero crossed his arms. "The story was okay. It just